Have you ever wondered why some bridal makeup looks skin-like and stunning while others just look heavy, patchy after just few hours of doing the makeup? The difference often starts long before you apply foundation. So today, I'm sharing with you 5 skin prep steps that makes your makeup look expensive, last beautifully throughout the wedding day. Hi, I'm Joan Beauty, a bridal makeup artist based in Abuja, Nigeria. If you're a bride preparing for your wedding or a makeup artist looking to elevate your work, you are in the right place. This video is perfectly made for you. The first step is non-negotiable step. Start with a clean canvas. Skin prep should often begin with a very clean surface. You need to clean the skin, remove the excess dirt, the oil from the skin before you even apply anything. So you want to ensure that the skin is very clean before you apply products on the skin. That is the first step. Step 2, you need to go in with some hydration. Hydrating the skin helps your foundation to sit properly on the skin. You need to feed the skin with a lot of water, and medically it has been proven that drinking a lot of water helps you to look young. So you need to feed those skin like your bride skin, or if you as a bride, you need to feed your skin with a lot of hydration, which I did in this video. Then the second step is we go in with moisturizer. Then you need to select your moisturizer according to your skin type. If you're a makeup artist, you need to know different kind of skin type and the different kind of moisturizer that works for each skin type. Don't just follow the trend and buy any products you see online or on Instagram and you just apply on the skin. You have to understand your client, or you as a bride, you need to understand your skin type. A lot of people don't even understand their skin type. They don't even know what skin type is. Well, that is a video for another day, not in this video. Okay. The next step is step 4. With the right primer. So you should choose a primer based on your bride skin concern rather than trends. You should choose a primer that work best for your client skin. So when you're making consultation for your clients, you need to ask all these questions. What are their kind of skin? Do they have sensitive skin? Do they have acne prone skin? Are they oily skin? Are they dry skin? Those are the questions you need to ask your client or your bride before they book you. So once you get to understand their skin type, you can now choose the primer that will work best for such skin type. So you can't just apply any primer on the skin. You need to understand their skin and apply the primer that works best for their skin. And we have different kinds of primer, like different types of primer. We have the pore filling primer, we have gripping primer, we have illuminating primers. Like we have a lot of primers, and every of these primers, they have their own uniqueness. They have their own what they are meant for, what they are meant to do. They have their own purpose. So you need to understand the skin you're working on and choose primer based on that skin. Don't just apply primer because they told you primer is what helps your makeup stay longer. Yes, but you need to understand the skin and work according to the skin type. The primer that serves the purpose of that skin type. For example, the pore filling primer. What the pore filling primer does is it fills the pores on the skin. It covers every holes, like the pores on your skin. It covers it up and give like a very smooth surface for your skin. That is what the pore filling primer does. Then the gripping primer, what it does is it grips, like from the word grips, it holds your makeup, it holds your foundation for a very long time. It sticks to the skin, like it holds it together. So if you see from the word grip, you understand what it does. So every primer has their purpose. Every primer have their uniqueness. So you need to choose a primer according to what your client, your bride is suffering from their skin. So don't just apply primer because you want to apply primer on the skin. Okay? So that's the step 4, right? That is what will help your makeup, like elevate your makeup game. I guess this should be the last step, right? For the step 5, let the skincare, like every product you have applied prior before foundation, like every product you have applied before foundation, allow it to settle into the skin, allow it to settle down. Many of you guys are too aggressive, like you guys are aggressive with the skin. You do makeup as if they are pursuing you. That is why you have to go early to your clients so that you can settle down and glam them and do the makeup. Don't rush your skin prep. Allow it settle into the skin before applying foundation. If after skin prep and you go ahead to apply foundation, this will cause your foundation to start peeling. You might even get uneven application, like your foundations won't, they won't blend properly. You get it? So you need to give the skincare a minute or two to absorb into the skin before you apply foundation. These are the reason why a lot of you apply foundation, you see your foundation start lifting, even you know, even before you're done. So allow it sit, and every step, make sure your hand fan is handy. Like you have a mini hand fan that can blow dry every step of your application. If you see from this video that you just watched, you see that at every step I was spraying, and she has her hand fan on. Even if you're not seeing the hand fan, she has it on. So you allow the skin prep to settle in before you apply any other product on the skin. I will close you guys with this. A beautiful bridal makeup doesn't start with foundation. It starts with being intentional with your skin preparation. So you need to be intentional about preparing the skin before you apply makeup, before you apply foundation. So guys, which of these 5 steps do you pay your most attention to? Let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with someone preparing for their wedding or even a bridal makeup artist. See you in my next video. Bye.